Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use plugins in Figma. Plugins are powerful tools that extend Figma's capabilities, helping you work smarter and faster. They can automate repetitive tasks, generate content, and even enhance accessibility in your designs. Imagine saving hours on tedious work. You can find thousands of these helpful additions directly within the Figma community, ready to transform your design workflow and boost your productivity significantly. Finding and installing plugins is quite straightforward. First, navigate to the Plugins menu located in the top navigation bar of your Figma interface. From there, select Find More Plugins to open the extensive Figma Community tab. You can then search for specific plugin names or explore various categories, such as Popular or New, to discover exciting tools. Once you find a plugin you like, simply click the Install button on its page to add it to your account. Once installed, running your plugins is simple. You can activate them directly from the Plugins menu in Figma or by right-clicking on your canvas or a selected object to reveal context-specific options. To keep your workspace tidy and efficient, use the Manage Plugins section. Here, you can easily view all your installed plugins, update them to their latest versions, or uninstall any that you no longer need. Many plugins also offer customizable settings to tailor their functionality. To get the most out of your Figma plugins, consider these best practices. Always keep your plugins updated to ensure you benefit from the latest features and performance improvements. Before installing, take a moment to read reviews and documentation to ensure the plugin meets your needs and is reliable. Don't hesitate to experiment with various plugins to discover which ones truly enhance your unique design workflow. For frequently used tools, creating custom keyboard shortcuts can save you precious seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.